Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's have some fun in Photoshop. Let us open the image from which we will swap the face. Create a selection around the face using lasso tool. Now copy this selection and paste it. Let's resize it so that we can match this size with the background face. I am bringing down the opacity in order to match this size perfectly. Now bring the opacity back to 100%. Create the selection around the face. Go to image, adjustments, match color in order to match the color. Select the layer as background. Now play with these sliders. Click OK. Duplicate the background layer and select this layer. Go to select, modify, contract. Now press delete button. Select these two layers and go to edit, auto blend layers. Click OK. Now here you have it guys. Let's merge these two layers, before and after. Let's fix these edges. I am using patch tool. You can use clone stamp tool or spot healing brush. So there you have it guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.